Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hi, I'm your host, Mrs. M, and if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and you don't miss out on everything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So I wanted to talk today in this video about 3 things you need to do when you are doing a walkthrough that makes your potential customer feel absolutely like you're the best person for them. Number 1, they want to know that you care about their business. So when you're doing your walkthrough and it's time to come to the close, that's different than the bidding, make sure you talk about them, what you've heard they have as a problem, what their concerns are, and then reiterate what it is. That's the first thing. Number 2, when you reiterate what it is, it makes them feel like you understand their problems and you care and are ready to do something about whatever it is they had a problem with. And number 3, always make sure you let them know that if they have any problems or concerns, you're going to make sure you address them on the spot. This is going to make your potential customers say, first of all, customer service is really important to so many people. So that's the first thing. The second thing, you understand what their problems are and they feel as if you're going to be ready to solve them. So these are 3 things that you can do instantly to bring the trust, the like, and the knowing to your potential customers that make them say, absolutely, you are the person for them right now, right now. So if you'd like to know more, make sure you click the link below to register for my free masterclass. And the masterclass is how to go to 6 figures and beyond within 12 months. Exactly how to scale your cleaning business, your commercial cleaning business within 12 months. Make sure you click the register below to register for the free masterclass. And until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.